Hi, today I will be showing you how to animate this presentation slide. How to make this presentation slide is on my previous video. And let's get started. So these three blocks are going to have the same animation. I'm going to show you how to copy the animation to each of them. Let's start with this one. Go to animations and click what you want to animate. We're going to animate this one. They're all going to float in together. Let's see. Actually fly in. They're all going to fly in together. And the effect options, I want them to fly in from the top. Alright, now that doesn't look really smooth. I'm going to go to animation pane. And over here, this means on click. So when you click it, then the animation will start. I'm gonna make this start with previous. They should all start with previous, and I'm going to make them have effects. I'm gonna make them bounce at the end. Let's put 4. Let's see how that looks like. Oh wait, it's just that. Let's do this effect options. I'm gonna make this bounce the same like that one. Okay, now I play it. It'll look like that. That looks very nice. I want to make it a little smaller. I want to make it a little longer to load. Like, oh, that. Alright, now let's try it. It looks very nice, but I think I'm going to only use it on this one and this one. So let's delete the text boxes. The text boxes animation and this rectangle. This rectangle. I'm just gonna delete. Okay, now on those, I'm going to this one actually. Now I don't want the text boxes to go the same as this one, so I'm going to select these three and delete. I'm gonna give them another animation. These two are going to have the same animation as this one. You're gonna click on the element and animation painter and click where you want to paste the animation on. Now that's very easy, and now I'm going to animation paint again on the learn more. I think that looks really good. I'm gonna make this start with previous. I'm gonna make it start after previous. And same with this one. Is gonna start with previous two. Okay. Okay, now let's play it and see. That looks really nice. Maybe this should be faster. Actually, no. Now I'm going to copy it and paste everything to these two because they're gonna be the same. Alright, now I'm going to try. Oh, wait. Alright, now I'm going to play it and see how this looks like. I think that looks really nice. Now that's all for today. Tomorrow we might create a new slide. But thanks for watching.